and you'll open it up and you'll catch worms in your fruit. I know how to prevent it. You're just gonna wanna go ahead and throw this grow bag over it. You can find them on, I'm all for sharing, but this season I'm not having it. I'm not having it. So last season I had a Gefner Atamoya. Unfortunately, it did die on me. Yes, I killed plants too, but I had a Gefner Atamoya. Unfortunately, it did die on me. And I ended up getting a new one. This season, here I am, and I finally got Gefner Atamoya to fruit. So I'm super excited. The only downfall is, which is, I guess you could call it a downfall, but I got fruit this year. The only downfall is this is the only fruit I have on it, right? I pollinated other flowers. It's just kind of young. It can hold this fruit. It has the size to hold this fruit, so I'm gonna let it hold this fruit. But I wanna make sure I'm going to be the one to taste this fruit. I'm all for coexisting with nature, but not this season. I ain't sharing it this season. So for those of you who know, Anonas are susceptible to the seed borer, and not just Anona, a lot of other pests, so mangoes, peaches, you guys know. So pretty much worms can get inside of, there's this insect that lays its eggs inside of it, and the worms will end up eating the seeds of this, and you'll open it up and you'll catch worms in your fruit. I know how to prevent it. You're just gonna wanna go ahead and throw this grow bag over it. You can find them on Amazon, online, just type in mesh grow bags, boom, just like this. So it's pretty simple. I don't have to worry about any pests, flies, or anything like that. Now, if you have trees that have access, that squirrels, coons, any type of rodents have access to it, I'm gonna be honest with you, this won't help you out. This, I mean, they're gonna chew through this, but anything related to like flying excess that like to lay eggs inside the fruit, so peaches, apples, stone fruit, mangoes, name it, you guys know these flies, we like the fruit, the insects like it just as much as us. So you can just go ahead and get these mesh bags and just go ahead and cover it. It works for all type of fruit. So I'm gonna do this with my Atamoya. I don't usually do this with my dragon fruit and mango, but I can show you it works the same exact way. Got a mango right here, works the same exact way. Again, this will not help you with rodents. For rodents, you're probably gonna have to get a box. Strawberry boxes works really well. So if you have any old strawberry containers, but it honestly depends on the size of your mango. So some mangoes get pretty big, but these work perfectly fine with mangoes too. I'm using it for my Atamoyas, my stone fruit. So go ahead, you can find them online. They're called fruit mesh bags. You guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, comment them down below. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you on the next one.